Important notifications. Claim a Shorts bonus. You're eligible for a bonus from the YouTube Shorts Fund. Claim your bonus by the 25th of the month or it may expire. So I clicked Claim Bonus and it said, YouTube Short Fund. StooDogg, you did not receive a Shorts bonus in October. There's always next month though. Keep creating and each month will notify creators if they're eligible for a Shorts bonus. If you received a notice but are seeing this page, check you're signed into the right account, yes I am, or switch account. Previous bonuses expire each month and are no longer eligible to be claimed. You said October. I don't get it. But I guess notifications like this from YouTube telling you that you've got something and then it's saying you don't are kind of standard and par for the course.